Production.
What's up? We're looking at Neptune digital assets. Okay, I'm not gonna beat a dead horse. I'm not gonna go over this and repeat myself 20 times. It's pretty much the same chart as the last breakdown. If you haven't seen the last one, check out Twitter or YouTube. It's up on there. This is the zone. 38 to call it 46 cents. We're battling that zone, right? Resistance a little bit here. We break up above it in 2021. Then axis support, axis support, axis support. We break down, okay? It's now acting as support again, except this time we're starting to create this sort of higher low right under this range. Again, right here, it's looking like we're creating a higher low into this range. This is what we want to see. It's pretty simple. It's really simple here. That this is perfect setup. All we need is this zone to weaken. Right now, what's happening, and maybe it'll be easier to explain it this way, but what's happening is, say there's 1 million shares here. This is just an example. I'm just spitting out numbers to make it easy for people to understand. Say there's 1 million shares in this area. We come up, we trade it. There's a bunch of trading here. Maybe there's 800,000, 600,000, 400,000. That's all that's happening. We're slowly weakening this area, eating up all the float, and then eventually it's going to flip where there's not enough shares. There's more demand than there is shares, which means eventually that's going to cause the stock's price to increase. Once it increases, that's when we look at previous resistance, right? So the previous resistance here, again, it's the weekly time frame. I just want to highlight this out real quick. It's nice and easy, right? This area, 53 cents, that's one. Right around here, I like this zone. We'll mark that out too. So that's what we're going to be battling in the next little while. We're going to beat this zone that we're struggling with from 38 to 46 cents. And after that, there's a 25 to 30% opportunity. And I think longer term, maybe towards middle of the year, there's a potential 80% opportunity. If things get real crazy, that's when we look at previous all-time highs, right? So we do something like this, right? So these are, I think, the levels we're gonna have to battle. It's not too difficult. It's really easy. Volume profile. Let's check out what that's looking like, right? Looks like there's really not much above this zone we're struggling with, right? So 60 cents, right? That's the area, right? If we could beat that, it's looking golden from there. So that's the breakdown, guys. I like the setup here on Neptune Digital Assets. Peace.